How to use HP Smart App to scan and save documents as PDFs. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to use your HP Smart App to scan and save documents as PDF. So for that case, you have to go ahead and open up your HP Smart App, and due to some security concern I'm unable to show you the procedure, so I'm just going to instruct you. So to scan an item with your printer or mobile device using the camera, now you need to scan the item with your printer or mobile device camera using the HP Smart App. Now from the HP Smart App home screen, you can go ahead and click on scan tile button to scan from the printer itself. Now place your original document or photo on the scanner glass or into the automatic document feeder, that is ADF or documents only. Now click on scan, or when you've done that, you've successfully used your HP Smart App to scan and save your document as PDF. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.